Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes GLA. It's a huge specification on this, absolutely lovely. Finished in grey, front park distance control, diamond cut grey alloy wheels, 5-spoke upgrade, privacy glass, very rare panoramic roof, rear park distance control, and it does have a camera. Full AMG body styling with a lovely bigger diffuser there and down the sides. GLA220. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It's literally just arrived. It's going to have an MOT, going to be serviced. Sliding panoramic roof, electric tailgate, AMG mats. Boot area is in lovely condition. AMG half leather Alcantara red stitch piping, electric mirrors, power folding mirrors, electric windows, nowhere on the bolster there at all. Just start the car up. Got everything here. Electric windows, heated seats, hill descent, DSR, different driving style modes, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, reverse camera, cruise control. It's got everything. Tilt side panoramic roof. At DJH, we've full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.